Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen since 2017 to 2021, you can say it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, and the price has not made a high above a level of $5. Okay, after that it is continuously moving upside. If you have seen my previous video, I have already explained you that once the price move over a level of 4.9, there is chances it can go further upside. You can go and check my year wise videos. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, after crossing this particular zone, there is a upside, and this upside and a huge volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas. And plus after this there is a pattern forming, and this pattern is created. See, whenever it hits its previous high, we have seen that it makes a new high plus a downfall, and this downfall to a level of 40 to 50%. Okay, this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and the same pattern tries to repeat it for this particular zone, but it didn't sustain this level and now trading continuously downside. Why I'm explaining previous how the natural gas has moved, because this is the level which has not been touched for so long. So whenever it hits that means if it goes above this particular zone, that is where it has moved upside, then only we have seen the price of natural gas has moved so much. Now it is coming again in this particular zone. Okay, so before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Okay, see, there is a continuous downfall, as I've already explained you that, but this is quite volatile. Okay, and see, a high at around $10 we have seen, and this $10 you can see this level is being repeated. That means it made a high of around $6.5, then made a high of around $8, and then a level of around 9 to a level of 944, and then 9.6, and after 9.6 it made a $10. That means it is continuously moving upside, and after making a high of $10 it is continuously on the downside, and this level still we have not seen had touched, and we have not seen swing outs also forming at this particular level. We have not seen swing is also there. So chances are very high, suppose if this level sustain, because we can see it is trying to form, it a doji candle has formed. Okay, but suppose if this level sustain, chances are less, but if it sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.78, and from there we can see it can go towards a level from $2.887. Suppose if the price move up that particular zone, we can see a level of $3.116, and from there we can see it can cross a level of around $3.3. This $3.3 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see a level of $3.75. Okay, and once it move over this particular zone, it can go towards a level of around $3.930, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $4. Okay, so once the price move over level of $4, then we can see a level of $4.13. Keep this in mind, once it move over level of $4.13, it will go towards a level of $4.315, which is because there is a gap in this particular zone, so this will fill. Okay, so once it move over $4.3, then chances are very high it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of 4.5 is there to a level of 4.769, and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, now the overall trend is downside. Okay, so till the time it is not forming green candle, we cannot see that it can go further upside, or if it is not forming a proper swing. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high yes it will not sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.852, and I have already explained you that from when the price move below a level of 4.9, then chances are very high it can touch a level of 2.5 to a level of $2 also. Okay, because there is a continuous downtrend. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see a level of $2.582, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $2.353, and once it move below this level, then it will come again towards a level of $2.27, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around, after this particular zone we can see a level of 1.97. Okay, and once it move below this particular zone, then you can see it will fall further low and can touch a level of $1.79, and then From there we can see it can go further down. Okay, because we have seen it has come around 20 months low. Okay, you can see the price has moved below this particular zone. Okay, now if it goes below this particular zone, a level of 2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that. Okay, now understand something, what mistake most of the trader do or people do. See, what I teach in my workshop, I tell you some of it. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss you can do is 100 per trade, that is 500. Okay, now this $500, maximum of 500. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum you can do this, but it will not affect your psychology. This is the main thing. Okay, but if you do 5,000, then it will affect your psychology the next day. Then you will try to recover it, and in that process you lose your full capital. This is what people do. Okay, so what I teach, how to overcome all these things, not to do more than $500 of loss. Okay, for 100 per trade, then it will not affect your psychology for the next day. You will focus more on profit. Okay, and then your trade will start moving in a positive trades. Okay, so any doubt, you can mail me, and for the workshop also you can mail me, and then you can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.